Meaning of hotspot.
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 Hotspot. The term hotspot generally refers to a geographical location or an area where there is a higher than average occurrence of something. This can include anything from an increase in crime rate, to a region with a high concentration of endangered plant or animal species, to a popular tourist destination. Hotspots can be studied using various analytical tools and techniques, and efforts can be made to mitigate negative impacts or to take advantage of positive aspects of these areas. Understanding hotspots can help individuals and communities identify opportunities for growth and development while managing potential challenges.